There are many different types of prompting strategies within prompt engineering. Today, I'll introduce you to three types of strategies you can quickly put into use to help you effectively communicate with AI. The examples in this section of the course are illustrative, as these strategies can be applied in a wide variety of AI systems and applications. Chain of thought is a prompting strategy used in natural language processing systems, where the AI model continues a conversation by generating responses based on previous exchanges. It involves an AI model keeping track of the context and previous inputs and generating response that is relevant and coherent to the conversation. You can utilize this strategy by keeping the following in mind. Start with a clear and specific prompt or question. Keep the conversation focused and on topic. Use relevant information from previous exchanges to inform future responses. Avoid jumping to conclusions or making assumptions without supporting evidence. Continuously reevaluate the context and adjust responses as needed. Here's an example of this strategy applied in AI-powered marketing software, such as Smartly.io. By following these guidelines, you can effectively utilize the chain of thought strategy to engage in meaningful and productive conversations with AI-powered systems. The next strategy is zero-shot chain of thought. This is a prompting strategy used in natural language processing systems where the AI model is expected to generate a response based on the input it received without having seen the specific input during training. You can best utilize this strategy by providing a clear and concise prompt or question, along with providing context or background information that the AI model can use to better understand the intended meaning of the prompt and generate a more relevant response. For example, let's say you are a marketing manager and you want to generate ideas for a new advertising campaign for your product. You can use an AI model to assist you with this task by providing a prompt such as, generate 5 advertising campaign ideas for our new product. This prompt is an example of the zero-shot chain of thought prompting strategy, as the AI model is expected to generate 5 advertising campaign ideas based solely on the prompt without having seen the specific prompt or the product during training. The AI model will use its understanding of language and context to generate a response based on the prompt. Of course, the response generated by the model may not be entirely accurate or relevant, but it can still provide you with ideas to consider and build upon, ultimately helping you to save time and resources in the ideation phase of your campaign. The last strategy is self-consistency. This is a prompting strategy in which the AI model provides suggestions or completion options to the user based on the context of the user's previous inputs. This strategy helps to ensure that the output generated by the AI model is consistent with the user's intent. You can best utilize this strategy by carefully reading the suggestions or completions provided by the AI model and choose the one that best fits your intended meaning. You should also provide as much context as possible in the initial prompt to help the AI model understand your intent more accurately. Additionally, you can provide feedback to the AI model about any suggestions or completions that were incorrect or unclear, which can help to improve the AI model's performance over time. Let's consider a scenario where you are using an AI-powered virtual assistant, such as Google Assistant, to schedule a meeting. In this example, the AI model is using a self-consistency prompting strategy by providing suggestions and completion options based on the context of your previous inputs. This helps to ensure that the final output, which is the scheduled meeting, is consistent with your intended meaning. All you need to do is follow the prompts and choose the options that best fit your needs. Here's a fun AI fact. In 2011, IBM's Watson computer defeated the two greatest Jeopardy champions in history. In this section, we have discussed that prompt engineering for AI is the process of creating input data, called prompts, to train and fine-tune AI machine learning models. These prompts are used to generate more accurate and appropriate responses from the AI model. We've also discussed the difference between Google and AI prompts, as well as the difference between an AI model and an AI system. I've introduced you to the 4 types of prompts used in prompt engineering: giving instructions, standard prompts, role prompting, and complex prompts, and how to use 3 advanced prompting strategies to help you effectively interact with AI. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next section.